My dear ones, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Hope all of you are happy and fine at home. As you know, my name is Rajana and presently I am working as school counselor in Sri Gokulam Public School, Calicut. I know, of course, because of this corona outbreak and all, we all are having a difficult time in our life, right? We are not able to spend more time with our friends, our relatives. Our usual vacation days are not like this, right? So it is a little tougher for all of us. But what to do? We have to accept the reality and move on. For that, we have to overcome some difficulties we are facing through this lockdown days. For that, I am here to help you all. For that, I have to talk to you, my little Gokulites, along with their parents. So I wish your parents to be with you while watching this video. Okay? Yeah. What I have to tell you is, rather than being very tensed about this increasing number of COVID-19 cases per day, we can actually make these days much more enjoyable and memorable, right? Now all our loved ones are very free and they are with us like 24/7. They are with us. In other school days, they'll be like very busy. If you are calling your parents to play something or do some gardening or something, they'll be so busy with their work. But now it's not the case. They are all free. Your grandparents will be very free, your parents, your sister, everyone is so free at home. So they'll always be there to play with you and enjoy these days. Like that, we can actually make use of these days to create a good bond between our parents or our relatives and to make these days much more memorable. But there of course will some problems during this lockdown days, right? The main concern of your parents will be, actually this is May and the coming month is June. If our vacation was a normal one, for sure by June our classes, schools will be reopened, right? But unfortunately it wasn't a normal vacation for all of us. So of course from the newspaper and our governing body, we are getting a news that schools won't be reopening by June like as usual. Okay, so I hope that, of course, because of this your parents will be very tense. So what will I do if the school is not opening? How can my child get educated in the right way by going to school and all? They'll be so very worried about all these things, right? So we have to find a solution for this, of course. Hopefully with the help of our management and all, our school will be starting online classes very soon, so that the major concern of your parents is getting solved there. I know, of course, you will definitely enjoy the virtual classes given by your favorite teachers. Now itself you will be missing your friends and the whole school, teachers and everyone, right? So I hope that it is going to an end to miss all your friends and teachers. Actually, you will be get started to get the online classes by very soon, hopefully. Like that, your main concern of your parents is getting solved there. So there is no problem after that, right? You are getting proper education even though you're not going to school. Through the virtual classes our teachers are delivering, you will be having a good opportunity to learn many things. But after some days will go, weeks will go, sometimes months we have to spend like that, right, with online classes. Then there are chances of getting some other tension for your parents, right? All the time you will be with your laptop or scrolling your Android phones, right? They'll be very worried about this increased screen time of their loved ones. They'll be start worrying about, oh my god, what will happen if my child is using this mobile for a long time? What will happen for their brain? Their brain will decay, their memory power will decrease, and this will of course affect your eyes very badly, right? All these questions will be frequently coming to your parents' mind. For this also we have to find a solution, right? As we love our parents, we have to. So is there a solution for that? Of course there is. But this time it's your duty to limit the screen time for the study purpose only. Otherwise, I'm damn sure that nowadays you will be playing a lot with your mobile phone, watching movies in the laptop or phone. Anyway, your screen time will be much lengthier, right? If the online classes are being started, this will be lengthier more. So it's purely your responsibility to limit your screen time for only studying purpose, right? And also with that, you have to be very brave while using this YouTube, Google and all. These all things are very vast platform actually, where you can explore anything, right? You can explore anything under this world, like everything is just a click away from you, and within seconds you can get whatever you want. So while using all these things, you have to be very brave. I know all my dear ones are very brave and wise children. You will be using this in a positive way only, but there are people who are using all these things in a bad way for unwanted things, right? We are well aware of it through our newspaper and all. So that should not happen to my dear ones. It's our belief and your parents' belief that you won't get into all trouble using all these things. We believe in you, so it's your responsibility to keep our beliefs, okay? And one more thing I have to say is, when I'm saying you should not play with your Android phone or watch more movies in your phone or laptop, then what else you should do? It's your vacation days, right? So you have to enjoy it as well. So what you can do for that? Actually, we can switch into board games rather than playing in a mobile phone. You are playing alone, right? Or maybe with your friends. But the effect of playing with your family, how it will be, your grandparents and your parents are around you to play something, how it will be, it will be very nice, right? So yeah, Ludo is a very trending game nowadays, right? All of us are playing Ludo, but most probably you will be using your Android phone for playing Ludo, right? But I think if you are able to change this thing from Android phone to a board game, we all have seen and used before, right? So if we are switching to a board game, it will be very nice. This way you can limit your screen time, and apart from that, you can actually help your parents for cooking, your gardening and planting trees, anything you can do, right? Cleaning your house, either you can paint your house sometimes, right? Yeah, your parents will be so happy for this also. One more thing I have to tell your parent is, sometimes they'll be thinking like, my god, how can I play Ludo or something with my small ones? I'm grown up, right? How can I play such a thing? It's okay, it's alright. Even if I'm grown up like this, I used to play Ludo with my little ones and with my parents. We are doing all these things to make them very happier, right? We wish to see them happy always. So I think some kind of these games and all can bring back the laughter and happiness to our home, and it will of course strengthen our bond between our loved ones. And if you are calling your young ones for any household chores to help with it, they'll feel really responsible also. They'll feel like, oh, mother or father is calling me for doing all these things. I'm grown up. It's good. They'll have a responsible feeling in their self. Which is very good for their personality development as well. So this is the main thing that I have to tell you guys, and you'll be then you will start enjoying this lockdown days as well. I'm sure about this. You can make these days more memorable. After a few years, you will be thinking about these days like, oh my god, the whole vacation I lost it, right? Lockdown and all, what to do, my whole vacation is lost. This kind of feeling should not come to you. That is why I'm telling all this thing to my dear ones, okay? You have to cope up with the reality, right? Now we are very aware about, we should not go out, we are not allowed to go out and freak out, roam around with our friends and all. We're not supposed to do for the safety of other ones as well as ourselves, right? So you have to understand the reality and go with that, right? So in this all ways, if you are taking care of your young ones, and if your our little Gokulites is taking care of their parents. Both of them will be so happy, and this lockdown days will be very memorable and enjoyable for you guys. I need to tell you guys this to make your lockdown days little more memorable and happier. With this note, I would like to conclude my talk. One more thing I have to say is, of course, as a responsible citizen, it's our duty to do whatever our governing body is telling us to do in order to help us as well as the whole world. It's a golden chance for all of us to help anyone else, right? Most of us like that. We all like to help anyone. Now it's your golden chance. Don't miss it ever, okay? With this note, I would like to conclude my talk. Hopefully, I think I could convey some points to you guys, my little Gokulites as well as their parents. I'm so happy to see you all after a long time, and thank you so much. Yeah.